Okay, so this is just going to be a quick video on a product review. As you can see, if you watch my previous videos, I don't wear makeup. At the most, I'll put like a little bit of powder, a little bit of foundation on my face, and some lip gloss, and that's pretty much it. I normally get my eyebrows done, but they haven't been done today. They need to be done, but whatever. But I used to have really long eyelashes, so there was never a need for me to wear like mascara or false eyelashes or anything like that. But just lately, I don't know if they fell out or what has happened, but now they're just like short, they're scattery, and they're straight. They don't curl at all. And I try just using the eyelash curlers. I really don't want to get into all the makeup and all that. I just don't have time for that. And I just couldn't get it to work. I tried all the techniques and everything, and I couldn't make it work. I tried using mascara, and it's still, with mascara, it makes them long and dark, but they're still just straight and just all shocked out, and it just looks a mess. So anyway, so I decided that I was gonna give some false eyelashes a try. Like I said, I'm not a makeup guru, or I don't wear makeup at all. I know nothing about this. My sister's kind of a glam person a little bit, but that's pretty much all the help that I ever get. I had been doing some research because, like I always say in all my videos, I have really sensitive skin, so I don't like to put a lot of, especially like strange things on my skin besides just some Cetaphil cream or something like that. And so I know that with the false eyelashes, you have to use adhesive, and that's something that I just don't want to try. And so I've been doing some research, and I saw like these new Ardell Magnetic Lashes, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of already. And so I decided, okay, so they're magnetic, you can just take them off easily. You don't have to put adhesive on your eyelids and all that. It should be simple enough. They're not that expensive. And so I went to Sally and Sally Beauty Supply, and the first thing, I went to the counter and was looking at the magnetic lashes. And the first thing, the girl that worked at Sally came up to me and said, she goes, "Oh no, you don't want those. Those are crap. Everybody's bringing them back." I'm like, okay. And I was like, well, I don't have any alternative because I don't want to put adhesive on my eyelids. And she was like, okay. And she was like, I recommend getting either the accents or the demi, she said. I really didn't even know what she was talking about. And so I was like, okay. And she goes, so if you get the other ones, you're gonna look like a drag queen. And I was like, okay, well, I don't want to look like a drag queen. So I ended up getting the magnetic accents. So it's the Ardell, I guess 002, I guess that number means something. This is it right here. And so that's like, for those of you who don't know anything about eyelashes, this goes on the top eyelash, but one goes on the top and one goes under, still on the upper lash. And so I got these, and I went and watched some YouTube videos, whatever. And again, I saw like mixed reviews. Some people were saying they heard you need to cut them, and they finally found the trick and the hack to make them work. I'm like, whatever. I wanted this to be easy. I don't have time for all that foolishness. And so I got them, and I, practiced with them a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what they look like when I get them on, and also show you, I didn't cut mine. I'm not gonna cut them. I don't feel like doing that. So pretty much, like, this is the upper part, and I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of blurry. There's little tiny magnets on here anyway. And so the whole theory of it is you put this top one on, and then you get the under part, and it has magnets on it, and then it clamps together and it stays. That's the whole theory behind it. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you. I think I can get them on pretty quickly. Kind of blurry. Oops. Oh, another thing, you want to put mascara on before putting these on, because I think it helps them to have something to hold on to. So you can see I have the top one on. Then as I tried to put the bottom on, the top one fell off, so that's really nice. the top one on. That doesn't look too bad right there. And this is the bad part right here when you try to put the bottom. So that's it right there. I don't know if I have these on. Let's see. Well, you can see a huge difference in my eyes right here. I don't know if I would say I look like a drag queen, but to me, just being honest up front, this looks absolutely horrible. I don't know, it just looks like ridiculous. I don't know if it's because I don't wear makeup normally or whatever. It's just a little too dramatic for me. I'm gonna see if I can put the other one on. So I don't feel like fooling with this anymore. Anyway, you see, you get the message. And if you watch the Ardell video, the girl's in there and she like can do it in like 3 seconds. It's like ridiculous, but it's not that easy. I don't know how I got this on so quick. Actually, it looks kind of jacked up on the inner part right there, but this is what it looks like. Just being honest, here's my review. I'm taking these bad boys back and getting my money back. I don't like them. It's horrible. It's ugly. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about my eyelashes. I'm going to try the natural way, which is using some castor oil on my eyelashes. I know castor oil doesn't irritate my skin at all. And it's been known to grow your eyelashes. I've used it. Actually, I have really scattered eyebrows, and I used it for that, and it actually worked. My esthetician noticed that I was using something. And so, but I stopped now, and that's why they're scattered again. So yeah, I'm taking this back. I'm getting my coins back. This was a total waste. I'm gonna give you a strong opinion. I do not recommend these at all. If your skin's not sensitive or there's no problem with you doing the regular falsies, just do that and put the adhesive on. This is total garbage. But anyway, I will see you in my next video.